right. So to remove the Polaris Slingshot steering wheel, what you'll do is you'll take a small flathead screwdriver and you'll kind of work your way around the steering wheel here, prying this thing up. And then eventually the whole thing will be in a position where you can just pull it off. Then these two wires will have been hooked up to that horn button that we just removed. So once you pop that thing off, you'll want to unplug these two. Then you have your bolt right here. You'll unscrew this bolt and get it to the point where it's almost all the way off, and then you can start working your steering wheel off. You'll have to really hit it and pull on it, but this way, if the bolt's on, it won't fly back and hit you. And that's how you remove the steering wheel.